Ethereum has been at the forefront of the cryptocurrency market's most recent upswing as a DeFi asset looks to close the distance between itself and the Bitcoin. Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Live. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notification. Speaking with the cryptonews co-head of the Galaxy Digital Trading, Jason Orban discussed his outlook on Ethereum and Bitcoin price as well as the progress of institutional adoptions of the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Analyzing what is driving the institutional demand of Ethereum, Urban discussed Goldman Sachs' exposures to the ETH via an Ethereum fund. As people became educated in the space and they understand what the value proportions of the crypto as they start to understand the power of the smart contracts that layers on that so many brilliant minds can build on. Ethereum is the copper, Bitcoin is the digital gold. The Galaxy Digital co-head also considered Ethereum 2.0 as another driving factor, moving from a proof-of-work universe to a proof-of-stake universe. There is scalability and things that now become very valuable and will allow Ethereum to grow, and so smart institutional investors are seeing that they are not going to create a more ESG compliant crypto, and that driving institutional into such a degree that we may see more institutional money going into Ethereum and that Bitcoin because the whole energy consumption angle. Nonetheless, Mr. Urban does not see the flattening of the Bitcoin as imminent, but does it think will happen in the next 2 or 3 years as probably the soonest time it will occur. Ethereum and Bitcoin have battled it out for the number 1 and 2 spots in the market cap ranking for what seems like forever in the crypto industry. Now, with bullish narratives emerging for Ethereum, many are pondering whether Ethereum can finally flip Bitcoin market cap and take the number 1 spot. Also known as the flipping, Ethereum surpassing Bitcoin market cap would be a monumental turning point in the cryptocurrency industry. CoinDriver look at whether Ethereum can complete the move in 2022 and what would be happens to make it a reality. According to data from Blockchain Center, the market caps of Ethereum and Bitcoin are currently at a 51.9% ratio. When this is reached 100%, they will be at the same market cap. This shows that Ethereum has to almost double its current market valuation while taking into consideration further upward price action from Bitcoin. So far, according to additional data, Ethereum has flipped Bitcoin in 2 metrics: on-chain transactions and transaction fees generated. These remains 2 valuable metrics as they can signal the greater and more widespread use of Ethereum within the cryptocurrency industry. Ethereum is also catching up in other metrics too, including active addresses on each blockchain and the aggregated trading volume on exchange. Bitcoin has remained as the number 1 asset by market cap due to its scarce nature, first mover advantage, brand recognition, and its adoption as the store of value for both retail and institutional customers. Bitcoin has held the top spot since its inception in 2009 and didn't face any major competition until inverse price action in June 2017 took the ratio to record at 82%. The incredible rise of NFTs and the DeFi spurred waves of the investment into Ethereum, leading some in the industry to believe that Ethereum can flip Bitcoin by the end of the 2022. Ethereum's infrastructure and the enterprise adoption have also helped establish itself as the market-leading blockchain, while its upcoming move to proof-of-stake network is talking even further speculation on its capabilities. With both assets now more in the spotlight than ever, the key deciding the flattening could now be at the moment of the adoption each asset gets from the outside market. In the past, price action in both assets has been influenced by the announcement of the partnership. Investment are mainstream. Adoptions of the asset through payments are similar. The flipping is unlike. Building an industry-changing partnership or development, strange things have happened in the world of the cryptocurrency. One bullish catalyst from Ethereum, such as transitions to the proof-of-stake network to a high-profile partnership, could bring the ratio even close to 100%. Conversely, wide-scale investment, outside market influence or partnership for Bitcoin could send the ratio even lower. Now, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum established, the market-leading assets, a flip will likely become more difficult to achieve as the market cap increased and price begins to reflect the fair market value of both assets. The world is going to transact digitally with the dollar, it's just a matter of time, said Mike Amsglon, senior commodity strategist at Bloomberg Intelligence. Tether is also known as USDT, is a stablecoin that aims to give traders a way to on-ramp and off-ramp crypto dollars, so they have a safe harbor from volatility. In theory, stablecoins like Tether are backed by an equal amount of fiat currencies, giving 1:1, though in reality that's not always the case. Tether and other dollars-dominant stablecoins are offered by investors who want to avoid the volatility of other cryptocurrency while still keeping value within the crypto market. The world is going to trade in the dollar digitally. It's just a matter of the time. It's about the time of the US government to regulate it and then will be under the crushing China, Elon said during the first Bloomberg crypto research event on Wednesday. The most widely traded crypto asset is USD, and there is not only one kind of any other cryptocurrency in the planet, even to close in the volume traded originally and the digitally on the blockchains, on something like this. It's completely dollar dominated and it shows that happening globally in the world, Elon said. While measuring the USD versus other cryptocurrencies isn't the better one, and I heard this is something needs to be pointed out, he added. USDT has a market cap of over $65.6 billion, up 380.7% from the $13.6 billion on the years ago date. For reference, Bitcoin market cap was $1.3 million on the Wednesday, about 15% higher than $1.2 million on the years ago, according to the coin market cap. Since the launch of Bitcoin, Tether has almost always gone up and coincided with an increase in the value of the long-term view, Elon said. One of the top crypto trends Elon said is the digitalizations of the dollar. Bitcoin is well on its way to becoming the global digital reserves assets on the after attending the block wars Bretton Woods. The alignment conference, Elon said the crypto assets are enhancing the value of the dollars through stablecoin like Tether. The most widely traded cryptos are digitally versions of the dollar, he wrote. Separately, Elon keeps a close eye on Ethereum and is previously set to block works. Ethereum is basically the building blocks. It's the go-to platform for the entire decentralizations of finance. When Ethereum kicked in its new protocol change of EIP 1559, it's reduced the supply and has dropped the availability of the cryptocurrency to about less than 400 coins a day, which is a decent amount of supply constraints given the demand kicking higher due to NFTs, Elon said. Bloomberg Intelligence previously reported if Bitcoin were to catch up to its performance this year, the number one crypto's price would approach $100,000. Though we see Bitcoin on that path, there appears little can stop the process of Ethereum flipping. The performance of Ethereum is up almost 400%, and if we overlay that with Bitcoin would be about $140,000, Elon said. So I still expect Bitcoins to get towards $100,000. The question is when, but right now, it's just a dog compared to what's happening with Ethereum and DeFi, he said. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notification so you will never miss any for future fascinating and interesting videos like that one. See you next time.